Some point of time, we all are new entrant in an organization. It can be quite often or occasionally depending upon how many times we hop our jobs. However, there are no standard rules of job change. As long as you are satisfied, you're growing and having challenging roles in your current employer. But when it comes to joining an organization as a new resource, there are some norms which might vary from level to level. However experienced professional you are, you will take some time to settle in your new organization for sure. Here are few tips to conduct yourself in new employment. Before actually starting your work, ensure that you go through the HR policies and other corporate policies. Of course, nobody is expecting you to mug them all or remember all of them now, but this will fairly give you idea about the major do's and don'ts. Although HR is there to induct and make you feel comfortable, you should initiate your interaction with other colleagues, approach them during the break. Ensure that you do not get too personal, because you never know it is permissible or no. You can ask them about their job titles, the department they belong to, and how long they have been into the system. First, get acquainted on existing processes, systems, and if you have any loopholes, make your own notes and keep it safe for later. Refrain yourself from giving any inputs within first week of your joining because it may not be taken in a healthy way immediately. You might be a replacement of a position, maybe a new created position, or you have been hired for a vacancy where someone else was aspiring for. Now this becomes little challenging to handle. Don't worry, what all you need to do is practice your interpersonal skills from very beginning to keep your positivity and influencing skills on. Although you have cleared the interview and you are successfully on the boat, remember to walk the talk most of the time, which means be your best, showcase your talent. But don't overdo it because it may lead to differences with the colleagues. So do a balancing act which is in favor of the company and you. It is also called as golden time. You have full right to ask as much as questions you can to be conversant with the organization and its business. Make most of it. It also reflects your desire to learn new skills. There might be some incidences where you feel you might have taken a wrong decision, but need not worry, don't overstress. Don't miss any events such as conferences, seminars, party or any other kind of get together because that will be a right platform for you to know more of the people and people knowing you. Being polite is good, but not at the cost of the self-dignity. That can also be seen as a weakness of other employees may try to dominate you. This is applicable when you are dominating and trying to lead others from the very first day of your joining. Relax, don't stress out. You cannot know everything in a day. It is a gradual process. Instead, utilize this time to get more organized at work and learn new things so that you can manage the later chaotics in a better way. Don't overuse company provided assets and facilities. For example, excess usage of coffee and snacks vending machine, using company Wi-Fi for personal use, quick smoke breaks, or ordering food and not paying for it. It's a bad habit. New job is a new chapter in each one's life. Erase all not so good old habits and inculcate best practices to make your life more productive. All the best for your new job. Practice these tips and make your life at ease. Hit that like button and comment if you find this video really useful. Disclaimer: this video is based on my experience and study. Please view, like, share and subscribe to my educational channel One Door HR. Thank you again for your time.